Last 2 lessons na lang. So, this is the second to the last. So, the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So, tandaan natin, discriminant, siya yung nagde-describe sa roots, no? Ng isang equation. Roots. It describes the roots of an equation. If it is an imaginary root, a one real root, a two, if its roots are two distinct rational roots, and more. So, paano nga ba? Let's go straight, no? Para hindi ko ma-waste yung time nyo. Hindi na ako mag-explain masyado kasi alam na natin ito. So, ito yung kanyang formula. So, d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Nakita na natin yan doon sa quadratic formula, yung sa loob ng ganito. Yan. Yan yun siya. Let's find an example. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Yan. So, dito, hanapin rin natin yung A, B, and C. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 6. So, let's rewrite. D is equal to 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. I'll delete this now. Okay? So, magiging 25 minus 24. Magiging 1. So, ano kaya yung magiging description niya pag ganyan? So, ganito yon. I'll take note ha. Diba 1 yung kanyang answer? I'll take note. Take note muna. So, sinasabi kasi sa discriminant, ito yung rules. If the equation is equal to 0, it is a 1. The root is a 1 real root. Pag equal siya sa 0, 0 lang. Pero, if it's greater than 0, and it's a perfect square, it is the roots are two distinct rational roots. Rational. Pero, if it's more than 0, but it's not a perfect square, then it's two distinct irrational roots. And lastly, meron din tayong less than 0. Negative, which is an imaginary. Okay? Gets? So, ayan. Two distinct rational roots, imaginary root. Dito, let's describe the root, which is 1. So, ano yung root niya? If it's greater than 0, then it's the roots are two distinct rational roots. Because kasama si 1 sa perfect square. Perfect square yan si 1. Yan. Paano naman kung ganyan? Let's find A, which is 9. B is 12, negative 12. And C is positive 4. Formula, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. Is equal to negative 12 squared and 4 times 9 times 4. 144. 4 times 9 is 37. 37 na rin. 36 times 4. Magiging 144 din. So, ano yung magiging sagot niya? Magiging 0. Okay? Let me delete this muna. Magiging 0 siya. So, ano yung, paano natin i-describe yung root? The roots are, the root, so, the root, or each of the roots, yon, are one real number. One real number, or one real root. Yon. So, naman tayo sa next. Let's go with this one. Diretso na ako, hindi ko nanapin yung A, B, and C, So, magiging 3 squared minus 4, 3 times 1, 9, and 12. So, magiging negative 3. Ano siya? It's less than 0. So, it's sad. The roots are imaginary. They are imaginary roots. Okay? Imaginary roots. So, the next example. So, x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Diretso na tayo, b squared minus 4ac. So, magiging negative 8 squared minus 4, 1, 16. Wow. So, ito ay magiging 64 minus 4, 1, 16. 16 times 4. 64. Oh, 64 din. So, magiging 0. So, our roots, each of the roots are one real root then. Katulad ng kanina. Okay, next. Doon naman tayo sa, ito, try natin. 2x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Oops, joke lang. Okay, 4, 2, negative 2, minus 8, positive 16 is equal to 17. Pero, nga, mas mataas siya sa 0. But, is it a perfect square? No. So, the roots are two distinct irrational roots. Kasi it's not a perfect square. Yun.